I'm here to present my capstone project, which is a submission to this 5-day Gemini AI intensive course provided by Google. My project is actually an AI agent that detects fake reviews. So really the core of the project components are embeddings, vector database and search, structured output via prompting, and agents itself. So I will quickly show you what I mean by that. So I'll just skip the setups, and the data is from Hugging Face. It's a data set for fake reviews. That half of the data set is human written actual reviews, whereas the other half is AI or bot generated reviews. So I used 10% of the data set, which is 4,000, and splitting it into training and test data. Our data set kind of looks like this, with category reading and text, which is quite nice to work with. And then I did what I did first thing with the data is to embed the reviews and store it in a database, so that we can later search in the database and retrieve the information we need more efficiently. Then I also used the Gemini LLm model to really look at the nuance of the review and see whether this review is fake or real. So the model was kind of using prompt engineering, that I told the model exactly what kind of things that what kind of features that I'm looking for that would actually make the review fake. Then I also used traditional k-nearest neighbor model, whereas this is more like looking at the particular review based on the neighbors, the surrounding data points, the similarity, based on the similarity, who is being labeled as fake and real, and the model makes a decision based on that. And then I put the two models together, so it became a very strong model that you will see later what I mean. And I started building the agent using LangGraph, and also figuring out, okay, what do I want as a result? So it's not only telling me it's a fake or it's a real. Instead, it's actually explaining why the model thinks it's fake, which is a really nice kind of information to have there. And finally, running the agent. And here is our result, which is the key, because what I found really interesting is that the KNN result said this review was real, and then the LLM assessment was found it was a fake review. And the explanation is that the writing style shows bot-like patterns that include generic phrasing like a great little gadget, not too big or too small, without specific details about the product's usefulness or functionality. So basically, based on the language simplicity, the LLM thinks that this is a fake review, and the actual label was fake. So you can see, even though KNN didn't detect it, LLM could detect it, and that makes it why this model is super robust, that I am really excited. There were some challenges that I had to overcome, but I'm glad that I have overcome. And there are further steps that I want to continue to develop this agent, because it's really the prototype of my knowledge from this course, and it has shown me what I can do, which is very exciting, and I want to keep developing and making it better for the future, to make it more robust model. So thank you so much for your attention, if you have stayed until the end. And yeah, get in touch if you have any questions. Thank you.